Hello guys, welcome. And this tutorial we will know how to create such complex furniture in SketchUp. So first you have to draw a circle. Okay. And then here you have to use artisan tool. So here we will use inset options. So this is the inset option. Just click and drag to take a inset. Okay. Now guys, here you have to select middle circle and make it in a group. We will use it later for a base support. Now select outer ring, then use artisan push pull tool, then drag in upward direction to extrude it. Okay. Now guys, here you have to make this in a group. Okay. Now guys, here you have to go inside this group and you have to select loop option. So you have to just click at certain distance to create a loop like that. Okay, on every segments. Just click one by one to create a loop cut. Okay. Now again click over loop cut option and then create a loop cut over here just like that, and inside this face also. Okay. Now here you have to select this top this rectangle part one by one by pressing control for multiple selection. Okay, select every this rectangle part. Okay. Now here you need to use quad face plugin, so just click here to select all connected faces. So here this is extra part, that's why I am deselecting it by pressing Control Shift. Now you have to use push pull tool of artisan tool, then push inside little bit. Now here you have to use artisan to subdivision option. Okay. So here I am also creating another loop cut at the bottom of this uh, cylinder. Now here click over this option of artisan tool, subdivision tool. Now here you can see that perfectly subdivided and all individual part of this is smooth perfectly. Okay, here you can see that. Now you have to just make it more smoother because all right line is visible here. So this is the final result. You can see that this is almost similar of the same as. Okay. Now here go at bottom and go inside this selected grouped circle. Then you have to move it little bit upward direction. Then you have to push little bit downward direction for a base. Now guys, here we will apply bevel tool for this edge to make edges smoother. Okay. To bevel this edges of this circle. Okay. Now again we need to create a copy of this base circle. Just press M and Control to copy this circle in. Okay. Now here we need to create top parts of this furniture. So you have to scale it little bit like that. And here I am selecting the outer edge only. Okay. Then you have to press Control C. Okay. Select outer edge and press Control C. Then go to Edit and click over Paste in Place. Now your copied circle edges are placed same place. Okay. Now here you have to use HS powerbar plugin this option to create a line to tube. Okay. Now it's done. Yeah. Now press F to take a offset, something like that. Now select the entire circle and then click over subdivision option to subdivide this. Okay. Now click over vertex option, vertex selection option. Before that, you have to type the soft selection radius. Here you can see that how it's affect. So we need to type 4 feet soft selection radius or 2 feet, 3 feet, something like that to make this movement little bit smoother. So just select this string and move it in upward direction to look like a cushion type. Okay. Now it's I think perfect. Now it's almost done. The furniture are looking almost similar. Okay, now we need to apply a color. So press B and apply a material over here. Select, go to a fabric and then select any materials here. So here I am applying this material over here, and at the base here you need to select any metal kind of texture. Okay, selecting a gold kind of texture over here. Okay, now here you can control the roughness and metalness of the material, because 2025 a new feature to control the material, because you can make up material PVR. Okay, now here we need to match the color of the cushion of same of the image. So just go to this edit option, click over here, then click over the image. Now here you can see that color are perfectly matched of this image. Okay. So guys, if you really like my video, please share, subscribe and like. And if you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can comment in a comment section. Thanks for watching. Have fun. See you next tutorial. Thank you.